So now we're going to do the change differential oil. For that, I just jack the car. I remove the tire because I have easy access in this way. And besides, I'm going to do the brake fluid as well. And now I'm going to go under the differential to open the drain plug. So you can see you have the differential. Now I put a 14 millimeter, take it out. I am, by the way, in the passenger side, which is the drain plug.
Rear.
In the driver's side, which is the other side, you have the fill hole. Before we remove the plug, since this is dirty and impurity can get into it, to avoid that, we're going to clean it with a degreaser and a towel. Okay? After we clean, they will continue with the drain. All right? So you can see after cleaning, the impurities were removed. Now we're ready to insert the 14 millimeters, right, and drain the fluid. After finish draining, clean the bolt, check it, clean it, degrease it, the bolt, right, and clean the area. Then with a metal brush it a little bit so to clean whatever oxidation you may have, and then put thread compound around it before you plug it back in, and then tie it to a spec. And here you have the final product. Now we're going to go to the fill side, which is the driver's side, to remove it and start the filling. Now we're going to fill them up with Motul gear oil. As you can see, SAA 75 weight, 90. Right? And I put a little funnel with a hose that, as you can see, it goes all the way into fill hole right there. This is the driver's side. Okay. The fill hole, so you can see it better. It's right there. With the hose that goes through the axle, going down all the way to outside the brake caliper, where I have the little funnel that I'm going to put the oil in. As you can see, oil is being filled up and it's coming through it and is going into the fill hole here. I removed the hose that I used to fill in the differential oil, and once the drain begins back again, that means it was full, so I remove the hose and close the intake. After cleaning, here you have the final product. Now the differential fluid change is done.
Happy ranging.
Happy ranging.